How's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of the BMW 335i build. Today we got some exciting stuff. We got carbon. So right off the bat, we have these beautiful carbon M-style mirrors for the mirrors. Yep, nothing gets past me. I already took them out of the packaging because, of course, I am excited and impatient. So they're here. Next up, we also have the chrome trim above the windows we have to take care of. All that gnarly stuff. Unfortunately, it's windy as hell. So, we're not painting today, but we can do the mirrors, so let's bang those on. Hopefully, they go on nice and easy. This is also good timing because about 3 days, a week ago maybe, I don't know, about a week ago, someone drove into that mirror and did a little bit of dingusing. So, mildly upset about that, but if I had these on, I'd be absolutely livid. We got lucky there, jumping right into it. Let's pull in the driveway and start ripping our mirrors off. Attacked by a wasp. I've hit it 3 times and it won't leave me alone. Stand help. Oh my god. So super windy, so I'll hide kind of close to a wall here and explain. So these are the mirrors we have. Oh my god, the wasp is back. Oh my god. Leave me alone. Stop. Look at him. Right by the bumper. You dick. So these are the mirrors we have now. The M styles have, of course, carbon and then the little wing at the top because wings are cool. And it's winds died down, this is our chance. We also have all this chrome trim around the windows. We're gonna paint that black. This right here, because that is not appealing to me. And the wind's kicking up, so we're gonna try one out and jump straight to time lapse, I guess, and then hopefully paint tomorrow. But mirrors before, soon to be carbon and after. So let's see if I break some stuffs here. Now my understanding is these just snap off and there is going to be a gap here. Now unfortunately I have really bad luck, so chance of me absolutely exploding this into a million pieces is pretty high. Also, I don't know if they're the right mirrors. Maybe I'll check that. So they do look quite good actually. I'm pretty impressed. That's absolutely beautiful. I am, however, concerned with this gap here. I know it's supposed to have it, and it's on there. But that still just doesn't look right to me. Alright guys, so we got those mirrors on. The wind is kind of dying down, so I absolutely love them. They kind of look weird at first, but they look pretty good now, I think. Gonna go ahead and give them a good wipe down and give it a solid wax, but look pretty good, fit pretty good. Pretty damn happy with those. So next up, mirrors done, get some wax, and then this trim, this gnarly trim. Probably tomorrow job. Go pick up the girlfriend. We gotta start sanding all this down. Go ahead and paint this. Basically gotta tape off the entire car so we don't overspray, don't spray the Genesis, nothing like that. Get those painted black and should be pretty much it. So pick up with you guys tomorrow morning, see how she goes.
Super yacht is such a stupidly spelled word.
Eh. That's staying in. It's not even a single word, it's 2 words.
It's actually not. Super yacht is 1 word, according to Google. So you don't gotta get busy.
So we're on the Beamer today. Wow, my finger's still crooked. Okay, yeah, it's embarrassing. We'll point with the other hand. Still crooked from when I hammered it. So we're doing trim today. Mirrors looking excellent. She's a huge fan of my mirrors. So now we gotta rip this trim off. So we could have either taped it off the way I would have, which would have oversprayed half my car, taken the bottom pieces off, because those are super kind of easy and mediocre-ishly difficult. And she's gonna work on bananaing my super delicate, very expensive chrome trims. So as you can see, she's gonna smack me with it. We went with option C or D of trying to pop these off and not break every single one of the 3 dozen clips behind it. We got one side off. What are you doing? And now she's gonna happily sand them as I sit There. So time to pop these ones off. These are a total pain in the ass. There's a whole lot of resistance and friction involved with sliding these out. I can't wait to paint them and then completely taco them trying to slide them back into their places. The tops hopefully won't be difficult. Bottoms, super not ideal. Mirrors, looking fresh AF, boy. All right. So we got those off. That came off a lot easier than I was expecting. Unfortunately, they're probably going to go on a lot more difficult than I'm also expecting. Hello. We got them in the back, sanded down, scuffed, cleaned up, ready to go. So let's go spray them. It's looking real good. Absolutely no imperfections except for there's this guy, so that's a thing. Alright, so a rip to the bug. Those turned out not too bad. Some bug bits in that, but other than that, those are pretty good. Now I gotta wait for them to dry, which is really super not exciting. How was that?
They're gonna look good.
You had fun?
Yeah.
Is it everything you wished for?
Yeah.
Just so full of shit. Alright,
That's
so
why my eyes are brown.
so now we get to sit here for hours and hours staring at those, doing that, so exhilarating. That was a bit of a nightmare, but we finally got these trim pieces on, so they are still a little wet. So a couple spots have my little fingerprints squished into them. Didn't nail that. Bottoms went in pretty well. Apparently the mirror is either supposed to come off or something in order to slide the front ones in, so I did have to do a little bit of touching up here with some paint, so that doesn't look ideal. But other than that, black trims are looking real good. Hello again. Quick piece of advice if you guys are doing these at home, I found it was easiest to put the clips onto this trim piece first. Measure them out, space them out, and then as you're sliding this on and installing, stick a screwdriver in there and they pop right in. Saved me a lot of time. Holds it up for you. Easiest way. They do like to break. I broke like 12. Get new ones. They turned out really well. I'm really happy with how this turned out. Mirrors looking great as always. Once again, had to do a little bit of touching up here, but once this cures, we're gonna go ahead and wax those little sections, and then we're pretty much dialed. Next up, I'm hoping to get some side skirt extensions and the rear canards, whatever the little extension-y thingies are on the back. But other than that, pretty happy with how it is. That's about it for today, guys. So we're gonna wrap it up. We have JB's Power Cruise tomorrow, so I'm either gonna rip this or the black truck. I don't even know. See, do some drag racing, but we gotta detail this thing. I made a mess putting these trim pieces on, so we have some cleaning to do. But thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one.